Respiratory organs. What are lungs? Lungs are cyclic organs located in the chest cavity. They help us to breathe. The size clenched fist and it's located under the ribcage between the lungs. It is divided into left side and the right side. Each side just behind and slightly left of the breastbone. The heart pumps blood through the network of arteries and veins called the cardiovascular system. The four main functions of the heart are pumping oxygenated blood to the other body parts, pumping hormones and other vital substances to different parts of the body. Involves the breakdown of food into smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed and assimilated into the body. The digestive process begins before food even hits your tongue and dissipated taste more so. Glands in your mouth starts to pump out saliva. We produce about 1.5 liters of this liquid each day. Once inside your mouth, chewing combines with slashing saliva to turn food into a moist tongue called the bolus. Enzymes present in the saliva breaks down any starch, then your food finds itself at about 25 centimeter long tube called esophagus. Esophagus delivers food to the stomach. Tissue sense the bolus presence and trigger a peristaltic series of defined muscular contractions that whereas left at the mercy muscular stomach walls. Pass to the kidney between 20 to 25 times each day. The ingredients in your blood are constantly changing as in just food and drink, which is explained while kidneys are to be permanent duty. Blood enters each kidney to arteries that branch until they form tiny vesicles and that twine with the special internal modules called nephrons. In each kidney, nephron forms a powerful array of filters and sensors. They carefully sift to the blood. To filter the blood, each nephron uses two powerful pieces of equipment: a blob-like structure called a glomerulus and a large string like a tubule. The glomerulus work like a sift, allowing only some ingredients such as vitamins and minerals to pass into the tubules. Then, their specific job is to dictate whether any of these ingredients are needed in the body. If so, they reabsorb the amount of the body needs so they can circulate the body again. It also contains the waste products too, and the nephron has to figure out what to do about it. The tubules send compounds that the body does not need, like urea, left over from the breakdown of proteins, and redirects them as a urine out of the kidneys and two long tubes called ureters. These tubes empty the contents to the bladder to be discharged. If the kidney detects too much aware of blood, for instance, when you drank several glasses of water, sends the external liquid to the bladder to be renewed. On the other hand, low water allows the blood come to the kidney to release some back to the bloodstream. We need less water, makes them into urine. This is why your urine becomes yellower when you're hydrating. By controlling water, your kidneys stabilize the body. But this fine balancing act is a kidney's only skill. These organs has the power to activate the vitamin D to secure the hormone called renin that raises blood pressure, and the other hormone called erythropoietin, which increase the blood cell protection. Without the kidney, our body fluid is spiral out of control. So each kidney not only keeps it running smoothly, it also keeps it alive. Lucky then we have two magical beans. two bean-shaped organs that work as a fine-tuned internal sensors. They balance the amount of fluid in the body to detect waste in your blood and know when to release the vitamins, minerals, and hormones you need to stay alive. The main role of this organ is to disperse the waste products and turn them into